Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedures on how to get your background as professional as mine. Right now, you don't need to bother about where you're shooting your video. You don't need to bother looking for fancy environments with professional backgrounds to shoot your YouTube videos. Right now, this video you're watching, I'm currently shooting it in my bedroom, but you see my background showing that I'm in a very professional and fancy environment, right? Yes, you like it. Thank you for liking it. So I will be showing you the step-by-step procedures on how to make your own background like this one using just two applications, Leonardo.ai and CapCut. I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedures on how to get your own professional background as mine in less than 5 minutes. Okay, in less than 5 minutes you get your own background going. Also, there's certain things you need to take into consideration when trying to get your background this way. The very first thing you need to take into consideration is how you're shooting your video. The equipment you use in shooting your video doesn't really matter. You can shoot your video with your phone, you can shoot your video using your camera. It doesn't really matter, but as far as it is a camera that has a lens to record you, you are good to go. Another thing you need to take into consideration is your lighting. You need to be in a very good lighting environment in order not to have your background glitching into your video. So you have to have a good lighting environment. If you're unable to afford good lighting equipment, using your natural light, maybe sitting by your window or being outside using your natural light is the best option so far. Not to take much of your time, let's get into the video. Let's get it going. Watch the video. The very first thing we're going to do is to get on the web, any web browser of your choice, and type the word Leonardo.ai. When you get on any web browser of your choice, you type Leonardo.ai. We're going to be using Leonardo.ai to design our background. Once you open the prompt of Leonardo.ai for the very first time, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have launch app and you're going to have create an account. For you who is opening for the very first time, you need to select where it says create an account. I'm going to select create an account. When you select create an account, it load up and take you to the next step to put in your credentials, and they're just going to ask for your email address, your password, and your username, and that's it. They get you in here. This is going to be your home page. This is how the home page is going to look like. Mine didn't ask me those credentials because I already have an account with Leonardo.ai. So when you get in here, you're going to see at the top right here where we have, at the top left, sorry, where we have 150 coins. These coins, you have 150 coins to use every day. Another amazing thing with this application is the application is totally free. Okay, like I said earlier, the application is totally free of charge, free use. So they're giving you 150 coins to use per day. Okay, so you're going to have all these other options here, or these other menu settings over here. But what we need to do right now is to get over here to the right where it says create new image. When you click on create new image, it's going to bring you to this prompt. When it brings you to this prompt, this is where you're going to type the description of how you want your background to look like. So in here, we're going to be typing the description of the type of background we are looking to use. This is the description of my background. This is how I want my background to look like. And each description I ask to be generated is going to cost me 20 coins. As you can see at the right hand side here, it's going to cost me 20 coins. So let's go ahead and generate our background. You see our background is generating. Our background is generating. You can equally upgrade your plan to maybe a higher plan, or if you're someone who creates a lot of content, that 150 coins will not be enough for you per day. You can upgrade your plan, and I believe they're going to give you more coins. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate our backgrounds. As you can see, it's generating 4 backgrounds for us. Boom. As you can see, here comes our backgrounds. These are the backgrounds that Leonardo.ai has generated for us according to the description I put in. I asked it to give me this type of a background. If this background is not okay by me, I will go ahead I'll add more details to the description, and then I can regenerate again. I can either add stuff to the description and regenerate, or I can still click on regenerate. If I click on regenerate, it's still going to generate another background similar to this. Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and choose one of these backgrounds, download it up, and ready to go. So let's download this one. Let's get this background. It's looking good. Now I'll click on it and I'll select on where it says download image. Now at this point, we'll be heading to the second step of the design, which is the part where we're going to be matching this background which we downloaded with our video. Let's go. Okay, I'm sure you enjoyed the first part of the video, which is creating the background. Now let's jump into the second part of the video, which is putting our background into our video. But before we get into the second part of the video, please, I beg of you, please, if you have watched the first part of the video up to this step, please, I beg of you, hit the subscription button below and subscribe to my channel in order to support me. Please support by subscribing. Thank you. Watch the second part of the video. So the very first thing now that we're going to do is to get into our CapCut. If you don't have CapCut yet on your computer or on your thing, it will surely say you should sign in or create an account. You create an account and you get into this prompt. It's very straightforward. CapCut. Okay, CapCut. So now we'll click on where it says click to upload in the middle. Now I have our background put in already. So I'll go now to where it says upload at the top here. I'll click on upload from this device and I'll bring in the video we're going to be using. Now our video is in here, so I'll be bringing our video down here to meet with our background. So I'll drag our video and bring it down to the background. Right now, as you can see, our video is covering our background. So the next thing I'll do is I will highlight, click on the video. Make sure you click on the video, not on the background, but on the video. I'll click on the video. I'll come to the top right where it says Smart Tools. I'll click on Smart Tools and I'll click on Remove Background. Once I click on Remove Background, I'm going to select where it says Auto Remover. And then I will wait for a few seconds for it to load up and remove the background of the video. So as you can see, our background has been removed, but our video is not all right. Our video is not centered, it's not looking professional, it's not looking good yet. So what we need to do right now, or what I need to do right now, I will click on the video itself. I will try to centralize it. I will increase it to make it look good and realistic. My video has been created. Now I want to make it look more realistic and professional. You just need to do some adjustments, like increase the size of the video, make it look good and centered in the middle. At this point, I'm done creating my background. So the next thing I need to do is to click on export here and export this video. Let's go ahead and export our video. I'll click on export. Even on this video, guys, even on this video, you can still add up stuffs on this video. You can come over here to where it says elements and add up some elements. You can click here to add up background sound, audio, background sound. You can add text. You can add other things on the video to beautify your video and make it look good. So now let's go ahead and export our video. I will click on export. You see, you can export from here directly into YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere of your choice. But for the sake of this video, I will be downloading it into my computer. So I would like to download my video with good quality. Here the options I have 4K here. I'll download my video as 4K quality because I want it to be watched everywhere and on the TV. I'll download it at 30 pixels. Okay, let's go ahead. 30 pixels per second. Let's go ahead and hit export. You see my video is being exported. So now our video has been downloaded. This is our video. Welcome back. If you have watched the video up to this extent or up to this step, I really want to appreciate you. Thank you for watching the video up to this step, and I'm sure you have learned how to make your own background using Leonardo.ai and CapCut. Please, in order to support me, do well to subscribe to my channel. Please do well to subscribe, as I'll be dropping more interesting and educative videos like this in the days ahead. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I drop a new video, you will be notified and you'll be one among the very first people to watch that video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. I love you. Stay tuned.